Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about BIOSTAR B650EGTQ AMD B650E gaming micro ATX motherboard. So friend, BIOSTAR has announced the gaming micro ATX motherboard B650EGTQ that uses the AMD B650E chipset, and the power supply circuit is a 14-phase 90 ampere Dr.MOS that employs a low impedance capacitor, super durable solid caps, a chalk coil with reduced energy loss, and auxiliary power connector, though power connectors. Furthermore, a big heatsink incorporated with the back panel cover efficiency cools the heat of the power supply circuit. And friend, DDR5 6000 plus 4 memory slots, SATA 3.04 storage, M.224 PCI Express 5.0 into 4 connection, M.21 for PCI Express 4.0 into 4 connection, expansion PCI Express 5.0 into 16 into 1, PCI Express 4.0 into 4 into 16 form into 1, PCI Express 3.0 into 1 are the available slots. And friend, the audio controller is Realtek ALC1220. The network feature Realtek RTL8125B to 15 Gigabit LAN, and BIOSTAR gaming variant has an antenna port for non-Wi-Fi card. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.